Hello, welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about how to make single V-butt joint on 10 mm thick mild steel plate in horizontal position by Gas Metal Arc Welding.
At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the plates with beveling. Set the root gap and tack weld. Deposit the weld bead using weaving bead in horizontal position. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Let's see the pre-welding preparation of single V-butt joint on MS 10 mm thick plate in horizontal position by GMAW process. Cut the MS plate as per the specification, 150 mm by 50 mm by 10 mm. Bevel the edges of MS plates to the specified angles. Grind or file a 2 mm root face on each beveled edge. Thoroughly clean the pieces to be joined. Pay particular attention to the top side of the plate, the side walls of the groove, and the underside of the joint. Set the plates with a 2 mm root gap. Maintain a stick out of 5 to 8 mm, maximum 10 mm. Set a current of 80 to 90 ampere for 0.8 mm dia wire. Set the arc voltage of 18 to 19 volts. Set a gas flow rate from 8 to 10 LPM so as to protect the weld metal from atmospheric contamination. Preset the joint to 183 degrees for 10 mm thick plates to avoid transverse distortion. Set the plates in the position with 2 mm root gap. Tack weld at equal distance. Now let's see the welding process of single V-butt joint on MS 10 mm thick plate in horizontal position by GMAW. Set the tack welded job on the welding table, maintaining the angle of the torch from 5 to 15 degrees towards the direction of travel to get better root penetration. Deposit the root run. It is very important to clean the root run by carbon steel wire brush to avoid any non-metallic inclusions during the second run. For the second run, set the current from 90 to 100 ampere and an arc voltage of 19 to 20 volts. Maintain a slower travel speed for the second run compared to the root run. Use semicircular side-to-side weaving moment, crescent motion to achieve full sidewall fusion without any undercuts at either end of the bead. Maintain a dwell time pause of 1 to 2 seconds to get a proper even filling at the end of the toes on either side of the bead. Maintain a proper and even bead profile and a reinforcement of 1 to 1.5 mm. Inspect the welded joint for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of single V-butt joint on a 10 mm plate in horizontal position by GMAW process. Check for uniform weld size and shape of joint. Ensure equal leg length. Clean the welded area and inspect the weld for defects. Let's see the defects now. Crack. Spatters. Overlap. Improper fill.
Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare the plates with beveling and grinding, set the root gap and tack weld, deposit the root run, second and third run using weaving technique, clean and inspect the weld defects. Thank you, students. Let us meet in the next session. Bye.